Hi loves, it's Kara. It has been at least like 2 months since I've posted, so sorry about that one, but you know, school life got in the way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is obviously today's look, and yeah, not the best, but like not the greatest. First time ever doing a cut crease and a different look on the lid, so hopefully you guys like it. Let's dive into the video. So what I'm doing here is applying a light green shade from the James Charles palette to my crease and a little bit above the crease. And here you'll see my dumb self forgetting to put tape on my eyeballs. So do that so you get a sharper look with the eyeshadow. And I'm trying to figure out tape because clearly I can't. There you go. So you just want to keep reapplying that light green shade in the crease and a little bit above the crease until it's at the pigmentation that you want. So that's all I'm doing right now. I'm kind of going over repeatedly with the same shade. So what I'm doing now is taking a darker green shade and applying it to my crease to really deepen it and intensify. So I'm repeating the same motions of the light green, not going nearly as high, focusing mainly in the crease where your eye kind of creates the crevice. And yes, just repeating the same motions. Now I have the intensity of the dark green that I want, so I will go in with the light green shade again and blend it all together. So I just use the same brush that I used for the light green and go over to blend the dark and the light. So now after both eyes are to my liking, I'm going to go in and cut the crease with concealer to make the eyeshadow look more clean and cut very sharply. Now I'm going in with the same dark green that I used in my crease, and I'm kind of using it as an eyeliner look. So I want there to be a gap between the crease, the cut crease that I made, and the eyeshadow that I'm using right now. So that's what I'm trying to get at with the dark green right now, on just half my lid. Now that I have the dark green in the corners of each of my eyes, I'm going in with a gold shimmery eyeshadow for the other half of my eyelid. You don't have to use gold, you can use whatever you want. I just thought of the festive St. Patty's look, I would go with gold. I don't know if I ended up liking this choice, but I added gold eyeliner to kind of the cut crease to add a little sparkle and shimmer, but I don't know, I don't think it turned out as well as I thought it would. Next I added winged eyeliner, kind of following the outline of the green eyeshadow I had already applied. So I'm really out of frame here, but all I did was add a brownish orange eyeshadow to my bottom lash line, kind of emphasize the Irishness and the St. Patty's look. So I did a brown lip liner with a nude lipstick and then gold shimmer lip gloss to cover it all. So that was my lip routine. This is it, guys. This is the final look. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, And comment down below if you want any, like, if you have any suggestions of what I should do or anything. Bored during this great quarantine time, so just let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, bye!